Imagine a world where every light could connect you to the internet. Yes. Light, you heard that right. Light fidelity or Li-Fi is a visible light communication system, running wireless communications at very high speeds. Li-Fi uses LED light bulbs to enable data transfer and boasting speeds of up to 200 gigabits per second. Data is fed into an LED light bulb through a router connected to the internet. A signal processing element is used to convert the data into streamable content, and a photodetector to receive light signals. It is then demodulated into electronic form. ARF communication requires radio circuits, antennas and complex receivers, whereas Li-Fi is much simpler and uses direct modulation methods used in devices such as remote control. Li-Fi signals cannot pass through walls, so it's inevitably going to be a very short-range technology. It cannot be used in outdoors due to sunlight and other optical interference. When will we start seeing it in use? Li-Fi is a new technology, but it's likely to start being heavily used commercially in the next few years. Currently pure Li-Fi has 2 Li-Fi devices available. Li-Fi market is predicted to be worth over $80 billion by 2021. Higher speeds than Wi-Fi. 10,000 times the frequency spectrum of radio. More secure because data cannot be intercepted. Prevents piggybacking. Eliminates neighboring network interference.